Welcome back again. So let us quickly consider another problem on a binary operation. So in my previous video, we have worked out the same type of problem where LCM of A and B as given. So here only difference is A star B is equal to HCF of A and B. So we have to verify commutative property, associative property, and whether there exists identity element or not. So we have to find out what is the identity element if it exists. It's not necessary that identity element should exist. It may exist or may not exist. So this problem and in previous videos problem both are same, but only difference is their LCM has been asked. Here HCF of A and B is given. So let us quickly work out this. So let us consider this what is given here, A star B. So commutative property. So commutative property means A star B is equal to B star A. So here A star B means what? HCF of A and B. So here B star A means what? HCF of B and A. Therefore star is commutative. So this one is commutative. So HCF of A and B is as good as HCF of B and A. Therefore commutative property holds good. So you can write only this much. So let us consider next property. See, associative property. So associative property means what we have to prove? A star B star C, as you know, A star B star C. So I will consider one by one. See, I will work out this side and you compare this with another side. A star of B star C. So A star B star C means what? A star. See, B star C means what? HCF of B and C. See, A star HCF of B and C means HCF of three numbers A, B and C. Okay, HCF of A, B and C. So let us take up another side. Consider A star B star C. So what is A star B? HCF of A and B star C. So HCF of A and B star C means HCF of, it is also A, B and C. See here, both sides I got HCF of A, B and C. So what should be our conclusion? Therefore star is, so you have to write the steps one by one. Star is associative. See, it is commutative and it is associative. So what is the next and last thing here? We have to find out the identity element if it exists. See, if it exists. See, this you have to listen carefully. See, in the problem itself they have asked here. See, does there exist identity? Does there exist identity element for the operation on set of natural numbers? So we have to find out the identity element. See, identity element definition is, see, A star E should be equal to what? A. See, listen carefully. So here A star E means what? HCF of A and E should be equal to A. Is it possible? See for example, so this should happen or not? No, we shall check this. See, HCF of A and E is, for example, I can take here HCF of, say HCF of 2 and 4. See, it is 2. HCF of say 3 and HCF of 3 and 5. See, HCF of 3 and 5 is what? 1. See here, HCF of 2 and 4 is 2. HCF of 3 and 5 is 1. So we what is the conclusion here? So we have to write this one. there does not exist single element E. There does not exist single element E. Of course, it belongs to natural number such that HCF of A and E is equal to A. See, this is very important. There does not exist single element E such that HCF of that element and E is equal to A. So we have no such element. Therefore, in this example, we can conclude that identity element does not exist. So you have to write all these points in your notebook. There does not exist single element E. There is no element which satisfies this property. Therefore, there is no identity element for this. So write down all the solution in your notebooks neatly, and we shall consider some more examples in the next video.